What's up, what's up, what's up? From Zero to Ecom Hero community here. My name is Mark and welcome to second video of our video series. First guys, I have to apologize for you, for both me and Philip, that we didn't make much videos so far. The thing is that we have a lot of struggles with our local business, as well as we were focusing on our test store that serves as a fundamental demonstration of results and tips that we want to provide to you guys. Anyway, we are back in the game. We were on holidays, but now we are just going to focus on more and more building a community and providing a real content to you. So make sure you subscribe, like our videos, and comments down below, as well as join our Facebook page. It's From Zero to Ecom Hero community. We provide there a lot of value, so let's get right into this video. Today I'm going to talk especially about store overview as well as store creation. But when I was creating some easy quick warp about this video, I was wondering if I should capture a store creation process more in depth. But then I thought that there are a lot of many dropshippers that talk about this topic and it's really easy. So I will just briefly discuss this. Because what you have to basically do is to go shopify.com, fill in your email address, and that's simply it. Then you just set up your store, and it's followed by store overview process that I'm going to talk about right now. As you can see, I have divided this overview process into two major parts. These are external and internal. By external store overview, I mean it includes three major parts, and that is domain, logo, and quote. And I couldn't see much mentors and marketers talk about this, but it's really crucial to your business, and it's almost literally effortless. So to talk about this, I will start with domain. I usually use vedos.com, which is a portal where you can buy your domain as well as you can personalize your emails for free. And that is, you can simply put everything before add, and then use your businessname.com. So it's really useful. I definitely recommend you this, guys. But that's not all. Because your domain should be the same, or at least nearly the same as your store name. So you should really take a time to think about some proper name of your domain and of your store, because that's in fact the first thing your potential customers see when they when your ad creative hit their attention. They're scrolling their newsfeed on the mobile, and then they see the video, but what they also see is your store name. So even though you want to build a general store or niche store, but let's say even though you want to build general store, you should really focus on to picking up the right store name. And if we talk about general store, it's really easy. You just should pick a name I don't know, Cool Gadgets, or Shop Deals, or Clever Buy, and things like that. It's really easy. Just check on Vedos the availability of a domain that you would like to name your store, and simply give yourself, I don't know, 30-60 minutes, and you will definitely come up with some good idea that is also free to buy a domain. Then it's it's followed by logo, which is also crucial for your business, because that's another thing that people see as well as they hit your ad creative. Your logo should be definitely connected and synchronized with your store name. And if you're not the type of person that design your own pieces, you can go on pages like Fiverr.com, Behance.net, Upwork, or iconfinder.com. These first three websites simply serves as a portals for hiring designers. And what you can do there you just simply find particular designer that you want to contact. You simply like set yourself a goal, like you want to make yourself a logo, or I don't know, some design for POD, like print on demand stuff, and you simply contact those person and they will design it for you. Another tip for you guys to save you money is that you should already have an idea about what your logo should look like while contacting those people. The thing is, the more information you provide to those people, the lesser they will charge you. Because if you give them some information, and if you give them even some materials that you want to your logo be like based on, they can't charge you much. The approximate amount that you will pay for logo is about, I don't know, 5 or 10 to 20 bucks. So it's kind of like really cheap. And the third and last feature that I included in the external store overview is quote. That's maybe more like a feature that is connected to while you're building a brand. But the thing is that even though you like build like a general store, you still should have a quote that is followed that like follows the idea behind your store. So if you have some general store, it should be like, I don't know, save your money and I don't know, live your life easily. That's what I personally like use when I'm building a store. Or live your life in a simple manner, or something, stuff like that. It's really simple. It will take you few hours, few minutes if you're smart, and it lasts forever once you set up your store and once you set up your business, because these things are like a reflection of your business overall. The problem about dropshipping is that the most of the people like don't consider dropshipping as real business. More likely they see it as a fast and easy way to like rise their income. But that's when most people that's why most people fail, because they just want to like easy and fast money. But the thing is, nothing is easy in these days. There are a lot of there are already a lot of dropshippers, and there is like it's starting to be saturated. But I'm not saying that it's like too competitive. You definitely can succeed if you find like your place and do the right research and follow all these steps. But most of the people don't actually do it, and I don't see much dropshippers talk about it actually. So that's about these three essential features, and let's move on internal store overview. So talking about internal store overview, there are definitely like more features, but I will in this video talk about picking up the right theme and setting up the color tone, because if you check those these rest like apps, landing page and checkout page, these are so complex like topics that we will definitely shoot a separate video on them, because these are really crucial, and that's when the fun begins. So about the theme, I just a few minutes ago I have read some posts that the best theme for like your dropshipping business and booster is Booster. This is a paid theme. It costs about, I'm not sure now, $250 or something like that. Actually, or in fact, it is good theme. I have already bought it like a year ago, but now, to be honest, I don't use it. What I use are two free themes, and these are Debut and Brooklyn. These themes are completely for free, and they are really nice looking. So you don't have to pay any of your money to like buy some, I don't know, some paid theme like Booster or some further themes. You just simply can use Debut and Brooklyn. Since 2018, and especially like recently, I personally use Brooklyn. So that's it about theme, and now about color tone. When I'm like checking websites of my clients, I very often see that their colors and their color tones throughout all the store are not like synchronized, and that's really bad, as I have said, you should consider even your dropshipping and general store as a real business, and you should like try to build a brand that will last long. Uh, and that's exactly why I want to talk about color tone, because you should really pick some, let's say, one wave, one color, and then use just different tones of this particular color, because what this makes, it makes your store like some kind of, let's say, we can say unique, or let's say, like as I've already mentioned, like synchronized, or uh, simple and minimalistic. And it definitely increases trust indirectly and unconsciously. So that's about the color tone. And as I've said, these rest three like topics we will cover in a separate video. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this value we have provided right now. We will definitely start shooting videos more frequently. If you like this video and if you watched it till the end, thank you for watching. Remember to hit the subscribe button, hit the like, comment down below. We will try to we will definitely like answer your questions. Join our community. It's from zero to ecom hero. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day.